Let's take a look at the newest social media app that everyone's talking about. Clubhouse is a really unique social app with audio-only content. I would describe it as a mixture between a chat room, podcasting platform, and a Zoom call. The app is currently invite-only for iPhone users, but you can go ahead and reserve your username while you're waiting for your invite. On the main screen, you'll see the different rooms that are live right now that span a variety of topics. The cool thing is that for anyone who you're following, it'll show the rooms that they're currently a part of. For this reason, I recommend following people who you think would be interested in similar topics as you. And you can also browse additional rooms under Explore. Now, when you join a room, you'll be immediately added to the audience where you can listen to the discussion. Each room has a host and often several moderators who have the green asterisk by their name, and those without that here are the ones who have been called up on stage. You can request to join the stage yourself by tapping the hand raise button, and the moderators can approve you. Additionally, you can tap the plus button to invite your friends to join the room. Once on stage, you'll be able to mute and unmute your mic to ask questions or add to the discussion. Anyone can also start their own room. Give it a name and decide if you want it to be public, for those in your network, or a private room. I've really been enjoying this app so far, and I see a lot of potential in it. I hope you enjoyed this demo and tutorial. Please subscribe below for more social media marketing tips in the future. I'm Luke Sievers, and I'll catch you next time.